so much for the love on the previous video, the Lisa Milan video. So if you have not checked it out, please do well to check it. And currently I am using the Snail Mucin moisturizer, and I went ahead using the NYX Shine Killer. My mother has a very oily skin, like extremely oily skin. So in today's video we're gonna be baking. Yay! I'm gonna be using this Urage thermal water as my hydrating spray, because regardless of whether she has oily skin, I still have to hydrate her skin. To be honest with you guys, I used quite a couple of foundations. I think I used about 4 foundations for this model, because getting a shade match. Now that everything is all blended, I'm going to be using the Kosas powder. I absolutely love this powder. Like, it's really good. For some persons watching this right now, they'll be like, oh my god, this is a lot of powder, this is looking scary. But girl, don't worry about it. Sometimes it can look crazy, but this is the beginning of something really nice. Plus, my model has oily skin, like I said earlier, so we really need to soak in that oil. I'm also going to be using the Huda Beauty setting powder. I think this is in the shade Peach Cupcake. Yes. Now this particular powder is doing it for me. This is a Nigerian brand, and oh my god, I barely use Nigerian brands. I was in Nigeria in November and I cooked some Nigerian products, and this one is so good. Like, just take my word for it, and if you have a chance, purchase it. It is actually to set the makeup and make sure that it doesn't look powdery. So that's why we're using the Skinny Divia setting spray, and mind you, it's a mattifying setting spray. So I love doing this. This literally just helps to push the product inside the skin. Now I'm going to be baking, guys. If you have been on this channel, you know that I don't normally bake, but this makeup requires me to bake, so that's why you see me bake. So that is to tell you that makeup is not a one-size-fits-all. As an artist, you should be able to adapt. You should be versatile with your technique, because I mean, you're meeting so many different people. People have preferences and different skin types and the like. So yeah. go back in again with a translucent powder. Two things that this particular technique does is that it will help to mattify the area and also lighten the shade of the pencil that I've used. As you can see now, previously it was a bit darker, but now it's a bit lighter than the way. Using the Maroon eyeshadow base. With this eye look, I didn't really get a clear direction, but I knew that I wanted something bold. I didn't want to do nude or neutral tone colors. I just wanted something quite different. I'm currently using the Lemonville eyeshadow palette. It's so pigmented. It's really, really nice.
Every night are we paradise seems so far away. Still try to buy myself sometimes.
I'm also using the Lancome Hypnose palette. This is like one of my favorite palettes to use. I always use it. It's so good. This is a pigment glue. I got it from a Nigerian brand, and also the Mother Africa pigment eyeshadow palette. These are so good. Like, our Nigerian brands are really, really doing well.
Staying up till we want to. Tell you what I bet that we could see you. I wanna let go, nothing to do. Let's go.
So at this point, I realized that I had done something quite similar to this particular look. It's actually on my YouTube channel. So I was like, okay, let's switch it up. So if you want to know how we switch it up, you have to keep watching.
Something far over, and I bet that we could find a way closer. Never wanted to put all of this in your head.
So after building up the eyeshadow to what I wanted, this is the point where I have to snatch the eyeshadow. So there are different ways you can snatch your eyeshadow. You can use your powder, your foundation, or you can use a tape or whatever you like, but this is me using a powder to actually snatch the look. If you did not already know, I own a lash brand, and this is from our new collection. I'm currently using the 5-in-1 lashes, and I think this is in Foxy. That's what we're using right now. This is gonna like snatch the eyeshadow and the eye look. And then this is our eyelash glue for the strip lashes. It is stronghold, and it is something you definitely need. So do well to patronize us, do well to place your order on our website, or you can just send us a message.
But I can see that we're only friends. But I can see that we're only friends.
Watched up to this point, now you're gonna learn how we switched up this look. So I'm using the Juvia's Place liquid eyeshadow and the palette eyeshadow as well for the switch. I had to add the gold from the liquid and the palette to switch up this look, and I think I like it even better compared to when it was just silver. What do you think?
I wanna let go, nothing to do. Let's the world.